All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with our next section of the day, which is counting. Now, counting is the bedrock of K-5 fluency with Eureka Math. The title of our curriculum is called A Story of Units. And so what are we counting? Units. In a moment, you're going to have the opportunity to engage in a little bit of reading that clarifies the meaning of a unit in the context of elementary math. So in your participant handout on page 9, at the very top under the heading, what is a unit? Take a couple of seconds, read that very first paragraph in order to gain that context and clarify that meaning of a unit. Now for the rest of the day, as you read and you practice and engage with fluency activities, I want to ask you to pay attention to the unit. Pay attention to what the unit does and how it grows. One thing that stays the same in terms of how it's used as a number, it's our adjective. 1, 2, 3. The thing that is changing, which is our noun, is the unit. So 1 truck, 2 truck, 3 trucks. 110, 210, 310. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. We also see it in the context of composing and decomposing like units. 1 truck plus 2 trucks is 3 trucks. So in a moment, you are going to actually engage in the happy counting. You're going to see the progression of happy counting from kindergarten all the way to 5th grade. Now, I want to go ahead and share with you my signal. When I do this, that means that I want you to count up. If I do this, it means that I want you to count down. And if I do this, it means that I want you to stop and think about the last number that I said. Here we go. We're going to start with kindergarten, counting by ones, starting at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now we're going to move into 1st grade. With 1st grade, we're going to count by tens, starting at the number 40. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 100, 90, 100, 110. What is 10 more than 100? How do we say that? We say it 110. 100, 110. Let's start at 90. 90, 100, 110, 100, 90, 100, 110, 120, 110, 120. Awesome. Let's move on to 2nd grade. 2nd grade, we're going to count by fives, starting at 185. 185, 190, 195, 200, 205, 200, 195, 100, 190, 195, 200, 205, 200, 200, 195, 200, 195, 200, 195, 200, 195, 200, 205, 210. Stop. What is 5 more than 210? You're right, 215. 215. Let's start at 215. 215, 220, 225, 230, 235, 225, 220. Now we're going to move to 3rd grade. We're going to count by sevens starting at 0. 0, 7. 14, 21, 28, 36, 28, 35, 28, 35, 42, 49, 42, 35, 28, 35, 42, 49, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 63, 56, 49, 42. Now we're going to move into fourth grade. In fourth grade, we're going to count by 50 centimeters, starting at 850 centimeters. 850 centimeters, 900 centimeters, 950 centimeters, 1,000 centimeters, 950 centimeters, 1,000 centimeters, 1,050 centimeters, 1,100 centimeters, 1,150 centimeters, 1,100 centimeters, 1,150 centimeters, 1,100 centimeters. We are now going to convert our centimeters into meters. Who can tell me how many centimeters are in 1 meter? How many centimeters are in 1 meter? That's right, there's 100. So this time we're going to rename to meters. For example, 850 centimeters, 9 meters. 950 centimeters, 10 meters. Here we go. Starting at 10 meters. 10 meters, 1,050 centimeters. 11 meters, 1,150 centimeters. 12 meters, 1,150 centimeters. 11 meters, 1,050 centimeters. 10 meters. This time, we're going to convert again. However, this time, we are going to convert it to meters and centimeters. So both meters and centimeters. So let's look at the number 850. How many meters and centimeters are in the number 850? You're right, 8 meters, 50 centimeters. This time, we're going to rename into meters and centimeters. 8 meters, 50 centimeters. 9 meters, 9 meters, 50 centimeters. 10 meters, 10 meters, 50 centimeters. 10 meters, 50 centimeters. 11, 10 meters, 50 centimeters. 11, 10 meters, 50 centimeters. 10, 9 meters, 50 centimeters. 9, 9 meters, 50 centimeters. 10, 10 meters, 50 centimeters. 10, 10 meters, 50 centimeters. 10. Awesome job. Now we're going to move into 5th grade, and we're going to count sixths, starting at 0 sixth. 0 sixth, 1 sixth, 2 sixth, 3 sixth, 2 sixth, 1 sixth, 2 sixth, 3 sixth, 4 sixth, 5 sixth, 4 sixth, 5 sixth, 6 sixth, 7 sixth, 8 sixth, 7 sixth, 6 sixth, 5 sixth. Who can rename 6 sixths? Who can rename 6 sixths? You're right, 1. We're going to rename the whole number. We're going to rename 6 sixths to the whole number. Here we go. 0 sixth, 1 sixth, 2 sixth, 3 sixth, 4 sixth, 5 sixth, 1, 7 sixth, 8 sixth, 7 sixth, 1, 5 sixth, 1, 5 sixth, 1, 7 sixth, 1, 7 sixth, 8 sixth, 9 sixth, 8 sixth, 7 sixth, 1. Now, who can rename 3 sixths? Who can rename 3 sixths? You're right, it's 1/2. So we're going to rename the half and the whole. We're going to rename the half and the whole. So 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 1/2, 2/6, 1/2, 2/6, 1/2, 4/6, 5/6, 4/6, 1/2, 4/6, 5/6, 1, 5/6, 1, 1 and 1/6, 1, 1 and 2/6, 1 and 1/2, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 1/2, 1 and 2/6, 1 and 1/2, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 5/6, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 1/2, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 5/6, 2. And that ends our happy counting. So take a minute